When an IVAC unit is set to automatic, the timer will engage the vacuum and discharge cycles. The off setting indicates the vacuum cycle and the on setting indicates the discharge cycle. Different scale values are available for setting the intake and discharge cycle times. The cycle times will change depending on the distances and materials you are vacuuming. Once a cycle time is set for a specific application, it should not need to be changed. A small Phillips set screwdriver can be used to adjust the time scales, the standard scale being 10 seconds. The dials are then used to set the exact cycle length. For example, when in the 10-second time scale, a dial indicating 3 would equal a cycle time of 30 seconds. The vacuum cycle is set with the green pointer, and the discharge cycle is set with the orange.